Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I, Professor Mohammed Lamin Umele, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2023 Adamawa State Governorship election held on the 15th day of April 2023. The election was contested. The candidates received the following votes. Tahir Hussaini, AA, 643. Usman Mohammed Shua, ADC, 3,024. 3024. Babangida Umaru, ADP, 2,174. 2174. Dahiru Ahmed Aishatu, APC, 396,788. 396,788. Sholi Yahya Abga, 892. 892. Babajo Bello, APM, 606. 606. Adam Abdulkadir Isa, APP, 286. 286. Mustafa Umar Madawaki, LP, 2,732. 2732. Muhammad Shibadu Saad Tahir, NNPP, 4,852. 4852. Abba Maina Aliyu, NRM, 1,272. 1272. Umaru Ahmadu Fintiri, PDP, 430,861. 40861. Baba Inna Ibrahim, PRP, 1,188. 1188. Ardo Umar, SDP, 6,870. 6870. Maigana Ismaila Musa, YPP, 1,431. 1431. Dado Amrod, ZLP, 200. 200. That Umaru Ahmadu Fintiri of PDP, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and returned.
Sorry.
Hello. One house, please. One house.
Doctor, please go this way.
One house.
Go this way, sir.
The National Commissioner of INEC, the very able coalition officer, Professor Mohammed Mele, the other National Commissioner who came today, the Commissioner of Police, the Acting Director of SSS, Adamawa State, other agencies of the securities here present, staffs of INEC, members of the civil society, the ever watchful, ever vigilant, and ever patriotic members of the press. We want to use this opportunity to thank God the Almighty for us seeing this day. And first and foremost, to thank God Almighty for not allowing Adamawa to descend into anarchy. We want to use this opportunity to thank the chairman of INEC for immediately coming out and announcing the misadventure and the criminal behavior of Hoodoo by declaring an illegal result. We thank him enormously for rescuing democracy and for rescuing peace in Adamawa. We want to also not mention specifically Comrade Barrister, National Commissioner Festus Okoye, for even promptly making a very strong condemnation of the misbehavior of Hoodoo and also the decision INEC have taken today. Because, as we have been saying, the full rights of the law have to be applied on Hoodoo for this misbehavior, first and foremost to punish criminality, and secondly to send very strong example for future culprits who will be contemplating issues like this. We are also calling on the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of SSS, and the Director of Civil Defense to also investigate their officers, their complicity in accompanying Hoodoo toward this illegal declaration of results. We want to also say, we thank the other agencies, security agencies, especially the Chief of Army Staff, for providing adequate security throughout this election and also during the collation of these results. I will not conclude without thanking specifically this ever very honorable, very patriotic Nigerian, very humble Professor Mohammed Mele, incorruptible Nigerian, who all effort has been made to corrupt him to declare an illegal result. He refused. Nigerians, this is an example of a very honorable man. We cannot also conclude without thanking the former Commissioner of Police in Adamawa, Mr. Afolabi, and the interim Director of SSS that supervised the gubernatorial election on 18th of March. They were honorable members. They rescued this situation because the Wuja of the APC was attempted right from on 18th of March. Those honorable gentlemen denied them this opportunity of doing what they did day before yesterday. Finally, we want to thank the members of the civil society. They were vigilant. They were active. They were vocal. They have stood with democracy. The members of the press is final. You are the air and eyes and the conscience of the nation. Thank you very much. And thank everybody who participated in this coalition and in the elections. And we thank you. Thank you, the good people of Nigeria. Nigeria is a country ruled by law. A very lunatic like Hoodoo will not come here and set the country into fire. Thank you very much. We still have confidence in this country. Thank you very much.